Assalamu alaikum. How are you, my friends? Hope you all are doing good. Today I have come up with two paintings which I would like to call as anybody can paint painting or easy paintings. Now, before uploading this video, I did some serious thinking whether I should upload or not. But all I thought was, what if this inspires you to paint and bring some happiness into your lives? Let's get started, my friends. My first painting is a sunset painting. For that, I have used a white canvas and acrylic paints. I only had one shade of yellow, so I am mixing it with white to get a lighter shade. Then I started painting from top left to right with a paintbrush, trying to make the strokes neat as possible. I kept mixing more of yellow and less of white to get darker shades of yellow and continued making different layers, as you can see. The transitions can be made smooth at the end by blending both layers with a light shade of yellow. Next, I am trying to introduce orange by mixing it with white and yellow to get very light shade of orange and continue painting. Here I am trying to make more deeper shades of orange. So here I'm going to correct the transitions. First I tried to blend in with white and then later I used yellow. I'm also painting across the edges and sides of the canvas. There you go, the background is ready. Now I'm placing this upside down, and as it is a sunset painting, I'm also painting the sun at the end. Now I'm going to paint some grass and trees with the shades of black and brown. You could customize it according to your choice by painting mountains, houses, people, birds, etc. So there you go, painting number 1 is ready. Now the second painting is a night scenery painting, and I don't think I'm going to be describing it a lot because it's kind of self-explanatory and it's very easy to paint. There you go, painting number 2 is also ready. Now this is my very first attempt on mandala painting. I have to admit it is so addictive. Once I start practicing more, I'll definitely post a video on this. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please do subscribe if you liked it. Thanks a lot.